Now, with thinning shears, I kind of do the same thing, but see, they ain't curved. I cut on the angle. So when I go in with the thinning, I start at the back and then I fade out. Start at right here in the middle and then fade out. Fade out. That's how you get the thinning shears to start low and then you taper to the tips. Start at the back and then fade out. Fade out, fade out. So you go in and then fade out. Fade out, fade out, fade out, fade out. And then even over here, I cut this on a fade. So I go in here, tight, and then fade out. Go in tight and then come out. Go in tight and then come out. Go in tight and then come out. Go tight, then come out. Tight, then come out. That's how you fade with the thinning shears into the hip. And you're finished. When you see that dark spot, you come in and then come out. Come in, then come out. Come in and then come out. Right here, fade out. Any questions? Let me know. All right,